In this video, I will have a quick visit of BYD website and check how many electric vehicles they have for the Philippine market. I will have a quick look of the specifications and also the interior and exterior. At the end, I will check the BYD savings calculator and see how much percentage is the saving between the electric vehicles and the traditional internal combustion engine cars. Let's go. I am now in the BYD Philippine website and let's see the model. I am more interested on full electric vehicle. They have 7 vehicles that are fully electric being sold in the Philippines. Let's check first the EV E-MAX 7 Superior Captain. 530 range, 8.6 seconds, and 204 PS, 310 Newton meter of torque. And the color, blue, Cosmos Black, and Harbor Gray. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And the seats are good. And at the back, this is a 7-seater MPV. And let's have a quick look at the exterior. BYD E-MAX 7. At the side, the wheels. And you see when the third row seats are folded, good space at the back. Quick specs check. So the clearance is 170 millimeters, the turning radius is 5.8 millimeters, and the carb weight is 1,895 kilograms. The seating capacity is 6 or 7. BYD Atto 3 Dynamic. This is the full electric compact SUV. Range is 410, 7.3 seconds, 0-100 kilometers, and 204 PS and 310 Nm. The color is sky white and boulder gray. Nice looking interior. The seats are nice, stitched with the red. And at the front, exterior. So the wheels, it looks great. And at the back and the front view, specs, quick look. The clearance is 150 millimeters. Turning radius is 525 millimeters and 1,680 kilograms. And 5-seater. BYD Seagull EV. This is a mini hatchback. And the range is 300 NEDC, 4.9 seconds, 0 to 50 kilometers per hour, and 75 PS and 135 Nm. Color Sprout Green, Après City White, and also Delan Black. Interior, see this, and also good screen at the center. There's some buttons here. We have the reverse, neutral, and drive, and this is the park. Okay, at the back, when the second row is folded, it seems the space is good. So the clearance is 125 millimeters, 4.95 millimeters turning radius, and 1,160 kilograms. BYD Seal EV. This is a mid-size performance sedan. The range is 580 kilometers, 3.8 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and 529 PS and 672 torque. Color Arctic Blue, Aurora White, Cosmos Black, and Atlantis Gray. See, it looks great. And the center console, rear or reverse, neutral, and drive, start stop. There's a park here, there's a button mode here, and the front seat and the back seat looks great also. Front view is a close front view. Rear view, the door handle, front wheel. 5.7 millimeter radius, 120 millimeter ground clearance, 2,185 kilograms, and seating of 5. BYD Dolphin. So 405 NEDC range, 3.9 seconds, 0 to 50 kilometers per hour, and 95 PS and 180 torque. Color Urban Gray or Cream White. See, the seats look great. And at the center or the front, the door handle, the back seat is nice. Exterior, this is the front view, side view, back view, and the charging port. Ground clearance 120 millimeters and carb weight 1405 kilograms. Tang EV. This is the performance SUV. 530 WLTP range, 0.9 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. 515 PS, 700 torque. Color is snowy white, silver sand black, and ridge gray. Quick look at the interior. At the center, a big monitor, driver seat and the passenger seat, reverse, neutral, and drive. Start stop at the center. The chair with the orange combination is beautiful. See how it looks like, the BYD tongue and the wheel. The back, ground clearance 150 millimeters, turning radius is 11.8 millimeters, carb weight 2,630 kilograms, and 7-seater. The last one is BYD Han. 521 WLTP range, 3.9 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 271 PS, and 350 torque. Color, Arctic white and Cosmos black. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Wow, it's great. The big screen at the center. The steering wheel looks good. Combination of black and orange. Center console is great. And the color, the combination is very good. Exterior, okay, side view, front view, and at the back. The ground clearance is 141 millimeters and turning radius is 12.3 millimeters. Carb weight is 2,250 kilograms and sitting of 5. Let's check the BYD cost calculator. Beta. BYD savings calculator. You have to select the desired model. Let's see the Atto 3 Premium. This is full electric here, and the battery capacity is 60.5 kilowatt hour. The range is 480 kilometers. The system will compute. You have to input the daily driving distance on weekdays, say 50 kilometers back and forth, and then on weekends is 30 kilometers, 15. The price of gasoline per liter, let's check. It's here 87.24 per liter. Let's say 88 pesos, and let's choose gasoline. And fuel efficiency, usually let's say 12 kilometers per liter. And here we have the estimated distance, so between electric versus current car. So we'll calculate monthly, and later we will see the yearly saving. So it will pop up here, the current car fuel cost, the electric cost, and the total savings. So I will hit this calculate savings, and you see from the data here on the left, we got the figure here. Monthly distance is 1,240 kilometers. The annual distance is 14,880 kilometers. And the current fuel cost for monthly is 13,094.4 pesos. And electric cost is 2,031.79. Let's check the price per kilowatt. So it says here 13.82 per kilowatt hour. The total savings 84%, and if you convert that into pesos is 11,062.61 pesos monthly. Let's see yearly. Yearly savings, the same percentage, but it's 132,751.3 savings yearly. This is a significant saving on a monthly and yearly basis. Actual costs may vary based on fuel prices, electricity rates, and driving habits. This video is not sponsored. Thank you for watching.